So don't use case X and case Z. This is another thing to remember, and that's one of the guidelines. And coming up is we have to need to avoid using pragmas for cases like parallel case and full case. So if you specified all the cases, then DC will be the right thing. So sometimes though you need them.
Yeah.
So then next we have to assign these default values at the start of conditional assignments. So this tends to shorten the code, that is the more readable, and helps to ensure that everything always gets a value.
Yeah, yeah.
So what do you need to say regarding our this point?
Okay, these points. Okay, first one you understood straight away, right? Case X and case Z. Okay,
Yeah,
we
we can
can
avoid that.
all these both these cases. We have actually three cases. One is case statement, then case X and case Z. Okay, I think I mentioned all these about
Yeah,
difference
we
between.
did discuss in the earlier slides.
We discussed about this. Okay,
Mhm.
now regarding this, what happens is if you are using case X and case Z, we will have simulation and synthesis mismatches. Okay, you can clearly see using writing this case statement, you can see what happens in simulation as well as the code obtained after synthesis. It will be different. That's it, that is it definitely causes synthesis and simulation mismatch. Okay, that's why we should avoid using case X and case Z statements. Okay, now the second case is use of parallel and full case. Okay, the same thing, these both parallel and full cases are used with case statements. Okay, so when you are writing a case statement, so if you are using